Hello friends, welcome to Science of Diet. In this channel, we tell you how you can lose your weight and stay fit with proper diet plan and regular exercises. So, if you are looking to lose your weight, then this channel is for you. Also, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then subscribe now, so that you do not miss any new episode. So, today we talk about how aloe vera juice helps to reduce belly fat. Aloe vera is an ingredient that is known for its beauty properties, caring for your skin, hair and keeping your organs healthy. In all of these, you can see the benefits of making aloe vera juice into your daily life. However, it is also a product that is good for helping you to lose weight. Aloe vera is a miracle herb with numerous well-being profits. One of its profit is that it lessens your stomach fat. It is a fine natural cancer prevention agent. Consistent utilization of aloe vera juice builds your digestion system, consequently helping you in decreasing muscle to fat ratios. It likewise detoxifies your framework, in this way purifying your digestive framework and further decreasing weight. Be that as it may, in light of the fact that aloe vera likewise have gentle purgative impacts, you ought to control the amount that you take day by day. Blending aloe vera juice with some different herbs will provide for you a great formula for losing stomach fat. Let's see how you can make aloe vera juice at home. Just take these ingredients. Aloe vera juice -30 grams. Turmeric powder -3 grams. Cumin seeds powder -3 grams. Tinus pora cordifolia powder, Giloy, Gujuchi -3 grams. Terminalia chebula powder, Haratiki -3 grams. Warm water half glass. Nectar, discretionary -1 teaspoon. Now, blend aloe vera juice and the various herb powders down the middle glass of tepid water. Blend well and beverage it in the morning, on an unfilled stomach. In the wake of having this homegrown aloe vera juice, don't consume anything for 60 minutes. So, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Also, do not forget to share this video to your friends and family. Bye bye. Take care, family.